Have you ever wondered how computers seem to know so much, how they can understand your voice commands or recommend videos you might enjoy? The answer is machine learning. It's a way for computers to learn and improve without being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching a dog new tricks. You reward them for getting it right. Machine learning is similar, but instead of treats, we use data. This data helps computers identify patterns and make predictions. In a way, we are giving them the tools to think for themselves. One way machines learn is through supervised learning. Imagine a teacher showing students pictures of animals and telling them what each animal is. The teacher provides labeled data, the pictures and names of the animals. A great example is email spam detection. Supervised learning helps computers filter unwanted messages. Another example is image classification. Think about how Facebook recognizes your friends in photos. Now imagine a child playing with a big box of Legos, all different shapes and colors, but no instructions. The child starts grouping the Legos, maybe by color or by size, discovering patterns without any guidance. That's similar to unsupervised learning. It's like giving a computer a puzzle and letting it figure out how the pieces fit together without giving it the picture on the box. One of the most common applications of unsupervised learning is customer segmentation. Let's say you own an online bookstore. You want to understand your customers better so you can recommend books they might like. Unsupervised learning can help you group customers with similar purchasing habits. The algorithm analyzes their past purchases, browsing history, and other data points to identify patterns and create different customer segments. This information allows you to tailor your marketing campaigns and make personalized recommendations, even though you never explicitly told the computer how to group your customers. Section 4. Learning by doing reinforcement. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a dog a new trick. You give the dog a treat when it does something right, and maybe you gently correct it when it gets it wrong. Over time, the dog learns to perform the trick consistently to get the reward. In reinforcement learning, the computer is like the dog, learning through trial and error. One of the most exciting applications of reinforcement learning is in the development of self-driving cars. Imagine a car learning to drive on its own. It starts by making random decisions, turning the steering wheel, accelerating and braking. Through sensors and feedback from the environment, the car learns which actions lead to desirable outcomes, like staying on the road and avoiding collisions, and which actions lead to undesirable outcomes, like running a red light. Through countless simulations and real-world tests, the car gradually improves its driving skills, just like a human driver would. Section 5. A universe of learning machines. We've explored three main ways machines learn: supervised learning, where they learn from labeled data like a student learning from a teacher; unsupervised learning, where they find hidden patterns in data without any labels, like a child discovering patterns in a box of toys; and reinforcement learning, where they learn through trial and error, much like a dog learning a new trick. Each type of learning has its strengths and is suitable for different tasks. Supervised learning excels at tasks like image classification, spam detection, and medical diagnosis, where labeled data is readily available. Unsupervised learning is perfect for uncovering hidden patterns in data, such as customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and recommendation systems. Reinforcement learning is pushing the boundaries of what machines can do, from playing complex games like Go and chess at superhuman levels to controlling robots in challenging environments. Section 6. The future of learning machines. The world of machine learning is constantly evolving. New algorithms and techniques are being developed all the time, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From personalized medicine to smarter cities, machine learning is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. As we continue to generate more data and develop more powerful computers, the capabilities of machine learning will only continue to grow. Imagine a world where robots work alongside humans, assisting with everyday tasks and solving complex problems. Picture doctors using AI-powered tools to diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, leading to earlier detection and more effective treatments. Envision cities that are cleaner, safer, and more efficient thanks to intelligent traffic management systems and smart grids. Section 7. Keep exploring. The world of artificial intelligence and machine learning is vast and full of exciting possibilities. This is just the beginning of our journey into the fascinating world of learning machines. As you delve deeper into this realm, remember that the most important tool you have is your curiosity. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning. The future is filled with opportunities to create new technologies and solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. And machine learning will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping that future. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the years to come? The journey of exploration starts with a single step. Take that step today and see where it leads you.